Hello and welcome. This is Drew with another quick video for y'all. And in this video is a short and sweet, like a parakeet video on did you know that you can send video messages with Descript? You probably didn't because I didn't know. Just joking. No, but seriously, it's actually a pretty neat feature and pretty simple to do. And there's two ways you can do it. And I'm going to dive into that right now. Does that sound good, Mr. Mike?
Yes, I am very interested. I want to know how to send video messages like a bro.
Okay, well, we are going to dive right in then. Okay, so we are going to dive in like promised. So it's actually really simple. So let me go ahead and show you what we're working with here, guys. So we're going to go over here. Bazam. All right, so there's two ways you can do this. You can record your video. This is my video. So you can record your video in something else like, Loom, or it could be what I use, which is OBS, or you can actually go up into the record button right here and you can actually record your screen and your webcam using Descript. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You have some options there, right? So I think that it's easier to use OBS, so that's what I use. But for you, maybe using Descript's easier, right? So you could do that. Go away. All right, there you go. Not you, the little pop. Anyway, so what's really cool is once you drag your video message in here, I'm not very, fancy with the title. I'll just put video message for whoever it is, right? And so just like any other video in Descript, it's text-based video editing, right? So there's that. But what's cool is this feature, right? So right up here in publish, you see that? Publish, bam, right? So that's really, really cool and handy. And so what is cool is once this is done and edited, and I've shared my screen in here, I forget where it is. But anyway, so you just edit your video message how you like. And then of course you can, so as you can see, there's some uhs and some ums and some ahs in here. You can go up here if you don't want that. I don't care because I'm going commando, but you know what I mean. You can go remove filler words and it'll take those all out. And you have two options. You can just delete the filler words, or you can just delete them from the transcript. So it's up to you how you want to do it. So anyway, so let's say I'm happy with this. This is great. I love it. That's hilarious. Look at that. Look at that. So you go publish. And so what you want to do is do web link. You have options for resolution. You have 480, you have 720, and max, which is 1080p. And if you upgrade, you get 4K. How cool is that? All right, anyways, so you go public or anyone with a link. So that's what these options here for access. And I don't know what this last one is. I've never used it. So I just keep it on public. You could do anyone with a link if you really wanted to, but I'm lazy, so I don't do that. And so you have publish settings. So you got some options here: show transcript, allow comments, show author, and allow embedding. If you wanted to give people the ability to embed your video message, which I guess I just leave it alone. All right. Anyway, so what happens is you publish it. As we can see, I already did that. I already published it, right? So it's not a big deal. And then what you do is this button right here, this little globe, you click that and it will open the page. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So this is what's really cool is, so when you go and send a video message, this is a two-step process. So we're halfway done. So what you do is you have this done, right? And it's awesome because when you play it, hello, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. As you can see, the transcript it's following the words, and it's pretty freaking cool, right? So that's pretty hip. So what we do is you copy this link, right? We just copy the link right there, copy it. Now we got to go back into Descript before I might be doing this out of order, but the process is still the same. You choose a segment from your video. Let's say it's just you saying hi how's it going? My name's Drew, right? Let's just say we want that part. You go into publish, but you don't, don't select publish. You go export. You go into GIF and you do current selection. This is very important because by default, it's going to do the entire video. You do not want that. I always do, for the quality, I always do medium and then make it as small as humanly possible. Up to you. Anyways, so you export the GIF. And so that's what you do. It's actually genius. So you go into your Gmail, and then what happens is you write your email. So let's just say this is an email, right? And then what you do is you take the GIF that you made, and let's say it was the one I did for that one is this one, right? So you just drag that sucker in there. And for some reason it's taking a minute. Okay, no worries. So anyway, so there we go. There's our GIF. It looks really cool, right? So that's what our GIF looks like. You know what? And so what's cool is we have our GIF, right? Which is really cool. And now we can highlight that. We can go down to link, and we take the link to our Descript message right here, our video message, and you can go add link, copy link, right? And then go back into email, you paste that link, and you hit apply. Also, another thing that is really important to mention here is when it comes to writing your email, what you can do, what I do personally, is you can take the transcript in Descript, right? Under export settings, you want to find a transcript, and you can either copy it or you can download it as a text file. And then you can put that in ChatGPT and have it draft an email based off of your transcript, which will save you a ton of time drafting the actual email. And it will be personalized because it is based off of your video that you just made, commenting on whoever's website or business or whatever it was. So this is a pro tip that I think is going to be a game changer on top of this already awesome strategy here. You have just sent a video email. You have this animated GIF, and the GIF is going to draw attention to whatever email, whether this is a cold email, whether this is an email follow-up from like a networking event. This could be used in a variety of ways. And what's really cool is once they click on that link, they'll be taken to that Descript page with a transcript on the side. And they can, you know what I'm saying? Like they can share it with people. They can add comments and all that stuff. So it's just a really cool way to send, instead of sending a boring cold email with just text, if you want to personalize your email and add a little personal flavor, you can utilize this function that I just showed you. And it's pretty neat. Wouldn't you say, Mr. Mike? Wouldn't you say it's pretty cool?
Yes, I think it is awesome. Thank you for sharing that with me, Drew.
Hey, absolutely. I am so glad I could help, Mike, anytime. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope that helps with your prospecting or emailing efforts. And as always, if you like this content, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell down below so you're notified for my next video when it is updated or posted, or you know the drill. Anyway, thank you so much for checking out this wonderful video. And as always, my friend, stay classy.